Okay, just got this in the post today, the Turbo Racing C75 176 scale, full function. For the features, let's see what's in the box. Instructions. Oh wow, this thing's tiny. There you get spare body shells. Paint up to your liking. The actual C75. That's awesome. And transmitter. Charge lead. And I think that's it for the box. Let's just see if we can find some battery for the transmitter. Okay, this might have to be a two-part video. So, Turbo Racing C75. This thing is absolutely tiny. We found some batteries for the rotor. Lots of functions, dual rates or speed rates for settings, throttle trim, throttle direction, steering dual rate, steering trim. You've also got some channel 3 and channel 4. Channel 3, let's turn it on first. The channel 3 turns on and off the latest tiny RC toy, and I think I'm going to be quite happy with that. I'm quite impressed. It was about £60 English to get to me. I don't know, probably about $75, I guess. Yeah, that's the second part of the unboxing. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like if you do. If you don't like it, click the unlike button twice, and catch you next time.